people often ask me that question about timelines before they're selling the house. Now, what should you expect? Well, after working with sellers in both Brooklyn and New Jersey, it's a question that we get asked all the time. My name is Laurie Savino and I'm with Corcoran. Well, we need to get your home ready for a sale. You need to be able to be careful and not just slap it on the MLS for having it in show-ready condition. This will give you an idea of a few things you need to think about before letting buyers into your home. So after we meet and you decide to list with me, I will give you a contract to sign. Once we have an executed contract, we'll then schedule an appointment. Well, we come over and actually give you recommendations on what you need to do to enhance the appearance of your home, to actually get the maximum return on your investment. Now, don't worry, there's no additional cost to you for this service, but it's essential because research shows the importance of staging in relation to the amount of money that you will get and how fast it takes for your home to sell. Well, so just think about staging your home. Once your home is in show-ready condition, then we will schedule our professional photographer and videographer to come to your home to capitalize on all those unique features of the house. Once we have the pictures and all the video, we will work on all the back-end digital marketing so we can expose your home to the masses. This is one of the most critical parts of getting you the most amount of money on your home. We don't just put it up a sign and put it on the MLS. It's much more detailed than that. We utilize a very strategic, comprehensive digital marketing strategy that is like no other. This involves running highly targeted ad campaigns across multiple social media platforms. Please know, by just posting your home on Facebook page or even a business page only gets about 3% of people that are actually seeing it. So we properly expose your home across multiple social media platforms. During this time, we will also talk about whether you should have any inspections done prior to going on the MLS. We also will go over all the disclosures with you so that we have these available for buyers to actually look at and they're fully aware of the condition of your home prior to making an offer. Now, don't forget, we go on all the major sites like Zillow, Realtor.com, StreetEasy, you name it, and we're there. And we've enhanced these sites to get optimum performance depending on the time of year and market conditions, of course. That's going to determine how long it will take for your home to sell. My name is Laurie Savino with Corcoran. Let's get your home sold for top dollar.